is going on, YouTube? It's your boy John here. So today I have a little bit of a different episode of the of our vlogs. So as you can see, Jen is not here with me. This will be a solo vlog on my part. I'm actually doing something very interesting today. I mean, you guys don't know this, but I actually like to ride. I have a longboard. I like extreme sports. So I have an electric longboard, and it happens that I'm in a Facebook group that they do like group rides. So today, Thursday, they have a group ride going in the city starting at 7 p.m. So I joined. They make announcements, so I joined the announcement, and then the group event. And I said I was, I checked that I was going, and that's what I'm doing today. So hopefully I'll be able to bring you guys some good footage and record. I mean, I don't have a GoPro. I have a GoPro, but it's an old one, like an old version one, so it doesn't take really good videos at this point. So I'm gonna try to record the original camera that we vlog with. So we'll see how that turns out. So I'll probably do like little clips here and there, but mainly it's not gonna be as much detail as a GoPro camera. But yeah, guys. So I'm in the train station right now. I'm gonna get on the train, meet up with Jen. We're gonna have some dinner together, and then from there I'm gonna head out and meet up with the group ride. So this is my first time actually doing a group ride, so I'm actually excited to meet new guys, new people. And so yeah, so I'll see you guys when we meet up with Jen, and you guys say hi there. Peace. What's going on, guys? It's your boy John here. So I just got here to the meetup. Everybody's setting up in the back, and we're about to head out and ride. There's like 20, 25 people here right now. So most likely we're gonna head out in like 15-20 minutes or so, and then we'll catch you guys on the ride.
Right? So make sure you give each other space. Don't ride too close to each other. Make sure you're like looking out around you. Make eye contact. Make sure you're looking at those people. So we stop at red lights. All right, not that hard. Everyone stops at red lights. We keep the group together, and we're going up into Columbus Circle, and then we're gonna go to Central Park. That's pretty much it. Just, don't be. Woo! NYC, let's go! And we're off just like that. It just started raining. We just got here from the park. Pouring out now. You have to wait. You have to wait. You're gonna have to wait. He keeps driving out.